This summer I traveled the world with these 3 cameras. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I'm gonna tell you what I think is the ideal setup for cameras when you travel. Okay, you love traveling and you want to film everything, but you know, sometimes equipment can be so much expensive, so heavy, and let's say you have to walk like 2-3 kilometers with a big backpack on your shoulders, and that's not easy. The perfect camera setup has to fulfill 3 criteria. Criteria number 1, portability. Criteria number 2, price. And finally, criteria number 3, quality. Your smartphone is the only camera you always have with you. It is no lie that smartphones have killed off the standard compact camera market. The fact that most people always have a smartphone with them, coupled with the fact that they produce a really good image quality, means that there is no point to carry a heavy and expensive DSLR camera with you. Therefore, investing in a high-end smartphone with a really good camera is a very wise choice. Drones are amazing because they offer a unique photographic perspective and a very smooth video footage. Investing in a small and high-quality drone like the DJI Mavic Air is a fantastic choice. Check the link down in the description for a great DJI Mavic Air offer. If you want amazing footage like this one, or this one, or this one, then a high-quality action camera like the GoPro is necessary. This summer I traveled the world with these 3 cameras. Check the footage and subscribe.